Just a Zulu man.
Alright, so Nota also had something to say. Nota speaks on iShowSpeed humbling South African creators. Responds to Zile Wheezy. Zile is one person who was mocking them. I saw his video. Let's see what they had to say. I see Domingos, I see. Now at this point I thought Domingos was going to be way bigger than he was when I first discovered him. But I see Erin is pushing.
People were bitter, low-key, that they couldn't be there.
They could!
Where Speed was.
What? I don't think anyone is bitter, bro. After seeing the videos, being humble, no one is
They
bitter.
couldn't be there.
They
Where
could!
Speed was.
Stay home. Relax. Stay home.
They could have taken
Who's
the
that?
entire quarter, you know what I mean? Open a bucket of acha and
Oh, they're talking about Zil is the one selling art.
just dipped the quarter.
Oh, when they're saying people are jealous, they're talking about Zil.
Be there.
They
Where
could!
Speed was.
Stay home. Relax. Stay home.
They could have taken
Who's
the
that?
entire quarter, you know what I mean? Open a bucket of acha and just dipped the quarter in the bucket of acha. Said,
Who's that?
dip it like this, yeah.
Some Khotana can capital letter King Oma. You are not my friend.
Why is my quality going down?
Why? Like a black man being successful hurts you as a black person. As a
feel
black
like-
person,
I
you
feel
must
like-
be an evil person.
There was another
Bro, my quality is damaged, bro. What's happening? Okay, let's keep going.
There was another person.
I can't wait to hear. Let me move down this. I want to hear Siv's explanation here.
There was another person who was losing aura apparently. So Omar, they are saying Omar followed Speed from Cape Town to Jersey. And
He did. He even admitted on that video.
Zile was clowning Omar.
Yeah.
Oh, rain is coming, bro, and tomorrow I have to go to work.
You can tell her my guy wants to say something that, but but in the comments they said he wants. What can I do or say to be relevant?
Zile is low-key beefing with everyone. If you watch their podcast, he's on everyone's case at this point.
I say Speed is I show humble. Yo. Nah. Stay home. Relax. Stay home. Manna.
That was the saddest thing to see, dog. You see, like, out of all the things that I didn't expect to see, content creators or fellow creators or YouTubers, podcasters, clowning the moment.
But
Like, okay, so now you make content, right? And then you see someone that makes content, and now you're gonna clown them, right? On the biggest content event.
Yeah, I get you.
of the year
facts.
in history in South Africa. You know, the biggest live streaming event ever to ever hit South
Yeah,
Africa.
that's the biggest, bro. That's the biggest of them all. And I think it's the first and last. Or if it ever comes back, it will still be Speed, or it will be maybe the other, because I saw that Amp. I think Amp is coming as well. I think DDG said he's coming as well.
Now, you got Joburg on the map. You know what I mean? You got KO in the cut. Whether he looks good or bad or whatever, whether he looks like he's chasing him, you know what I mean?
Wait,
It doesn't
KO was there as well. Or they're talking about something else.
matter at the end of the day.
He's
because
trying. But like
No.
Nota, I get what you're saying, yeah? But like for Zile, right? I get why he was doing that.
No, I don't.
When things hit the fan,
Zile cutting off King Omar. after the Alabuga saga.
Bro, I'm not saying tweet about me. I'm not saying make a video about me. I'm not saying because you don't know what's happening, Luena. And you also
Oh, these people are still fighting about that human trafficking scandal. And it was King Omar who pulled them, as they say. Now I see here the Alabuga saga. I remember it was months back.
have your own things going on. Bro, text me. The same energy that you text me when you want to drink, the same energy you text me when you want to do a song, the same energy when you text me when you want me to promote something, the same energy when you text me when you want to come on the show, they're spreading humors. Where is it? So from now on, guys, I'm telling you, and I know you guys know yourselves, I don't have friends. And the number one person no longer is the capital letter, King Omar. You are not my friend, Chief.
Yo.
And King Omar was once, I think, their guest here before the whole thing.
Please.
Damn.
No, for explain.
There's no way. No.
You come in.
No. Let me tell you something. The only dog that goes against being a nigger, that's a bitch mentality. Only girls compete through gossip and skinnery.
Damn.
You know what I mean? Destruction of reputations.
Damn.
So you understand what I'm saying?
What are you trying to say about Zila?
I'm just saying, is
Are you
that,
saying
dog,
he's
let me tell you something. There's certain people I would never say a negative word about because they've put food on my table. Doesn't matter what they do. They put food on my table at some point in time, I will never, ever shit in my well.
So you
Understand what I'm
you're saying KO put
I'm
food
just
on
saying,
Zila's
if at
table.
any point anyone has put food on my table, I treat them with a certain modicum of respect.
Keep in mind, King Umar puts this guy on. Now
Keep in mind, King Omar put this guy on. Now they're switching on him. Bro, how did King Omar put them on, bro? You know, I don't really follow much of the stuff. This is my first time even going into these people and seeing them on their podcast and stuff. Because I'm not a podcast fan. I just like watching dev videos on YouTube.
they're switching up on him. Yeah, facts, bro. I did. You're talking about that short guy, man.
I say shout out to you. And some of us, we couldn't be here because
Even gave him a shout out.
of you, man. You gave us a platform, you know. And I know I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people that are out there. And you must just know, Ramuna, because of you, most of us got the thing. And
So
shout
he
out to you.
paved the way for you.
No, he did. Like, I
That's what
remember,
I said. Even when it was like he paved the way. Literally.
like Omar gave me a platform.
Damn, I need to start following around the news. I didn't even know these guys were King Omar's children.
He didn't treat me as a one, and people didn't know me. They called me the guy with the orange jacket. I remember, and he was like, you know what? From now on, just operate, and I did. And thank you so much.
So KO
You understand
put
what I'm
food
saying?
on
It just shows anyone
Zila's
else who
table.
might want to put food on my table that I've got table manners. You know what I mean?
Yes,
That's
But
all.
like also,
That's all. That's all.
I
That's all.
get that note,
No, that's
but like
all.
the context is, yeah, sure. In this situation, yeah, there was a point in time where KO probably put food in Zila's table.
But then he took the
But
food away.
He also took the food away.
How
with
did he
the
take
whole-
it away?
With the whole Russia thing.
No, he didn't take it away. He put the food on the table. The men got scared of the food that was.
Yo, you know, now I'm picking it up. When I'm busy, you see, I'm quiet. I'm trying to think. Who the hell is KO? Because I know KO the rap. They're talking about King Omar. They're shortening it to KO.
was on the table and they ran away from it.
Damn.
They didn't stand on business. I took that Russian money. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah. They did it the money though.
Oh, you're gonna cancel me? A guy could have come there, right? Figured out where we were, right? Right? He could have come there, figured out where we were. He could have come to drama, seen that dry quarter, and put his archer there.
But
He could have taken the quarter. He could have taken
Who's
the
that?
entire quarter. You know what I mean? Opened a bucket of archer and just dipped the quarter in the bucket of archer. The entire quarter. You know what I mean? Opened a bucket of archer and just dipped the quarter in the bucket of archer. Said,
Who's that?
dip it like this, yeah. Dip it like this.
Nah, but he already concluded that Speedy's not gonna like it. So that was his whole.
I don't think it was
mindset.
confident.
He was
So
confident in it.
a lack of
He
self-belief.
wasn't confident in
So
it.
you understand?
his own
You understand?
product.
He said it on his own
Oh,
videos
but-
like,
yeah,
Speed is
he's
not
not
an
like
actor.
that.
He believe but in he his own did say product. that the
Hey,
quota
man,
is
that's what
dry.
he said, bro.
Yeah, the
So,
quota's
this is what I
dry.
expected.
Quota's dry.
This is what I
Needed
expected.
Archer.
This is what I expected. Yo, shout out to my boys. Well done. Yo, there was 50 million people watching or whatever. You said it was 48 million or something. I don't know. You guys got-
47
whatever.
point something.
Yeah, 48 round off. Nah, 50 million people watching. There's so many people watching, dog. You should be clapping for everybody, dog. You should be saying, yo, I'm glad you guys, yo, sorry for the guababa moment. It can happen to the best of us. I hope one day when something
Bro, Nota is matured. That's why Nota is, even though he says the craziest thing, he's always called everywhere. He's always on podcast. He's always eating.
like that, it doesn't happen to me. But you know what? Shout out to you guys for actually being there. Shout out to you guys for showing speed that South Africa's also got creators, you know what I mean? And they're also out here and they're also doing their thing, you know what I mean? Like, this thing is like the Comrades Marathon, dog. On the Comrades Marathon, everybody's in the crowd, you know, while you're running the Comrades, whether you're famous or not, people are watching you. So Speed was like running the Comrades Marathon through Joburg, you know what I mean, in a 6-hour time. And everybody was on the sides, either cheering him on or getting on the stream. When you're watching the Comrades Marathon and the camera comes to you, you're gonna wave and stuff like that, you know what I mean? And that's what it was, dog. It's simple. So we do these things. So I don't know why people are so outraged. And for me, I think that it's a lack of self-confidence, and also they want to embarrass the country. Do you understand what I'm saying? They want to embarrass the country. It's like, look, South Africans, something so great is happening, and they don't even want to celebrate themselves.
You're one of the few people that actually
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Nota is cooking, bro. Nota is cooking.
like, you know, gained aura out of that interaction. Can you name?
why?
Can you name? No, you didn't lose aura.
Okay, thank you. I can't lose aura. Because I've shown already that
Even though
I'm
you were there
unashamed.
with a speaker,
Nah, whatever, dog. Like, look at me.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
But
I
it's
put
not
myself,
that.
okay? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But like, who do you think, like, some other people that didn't lose aura? Can you name a few people that didn't lose aura?
Nobody lost aura. Nobody lost aura. Everyone that's a part of that is a part of history, bro. It's a big thing. Yo, there's no South
No,
African-
not a spitting here. Fact.
that will put you in front of 50 million people ever.
Facts.
No one.
Facts.
No one in South. You'll never bump into anyone in South Africa. So someone's gonna come from a foreign country and put you in front of 50 million people, and you're gonna look that gift horse in the mouth.
Yeah,
So basically, no one lost aura.
Nobody lost aura, dog.
Even
No, the only people that lost aura were the people criticizing. Because it's like, what are you
Facts.
criticizing, dog? This is a successful black man. 21. You don't want a 21-year-old man to be successful. You don't want him to be chased by groupies, chased by fans, chased by the grandparents, chased by the parents, chased by the siblings, chased by everybody. You don't want a 21-year-old man to be successful, to have fandom. Like, why?
in another country.
Facts.
Why? Like, a black man being successful hurts you as a black person. As a
feel
black
like-
person,
I
you
feel
must be
like-
an evil person.
Yo, shout out to Nota. You know, it's business, bro. Like, share, and subscribe. I have more videos to look into. So let's go and do just that. Bye-bye.